Why are storms stronger in some areas than others? Storms carry energy and heat. Other storms collect that energy and heat, causing the storm to get bigger. What causes rain? The water cycle. Heat and energy cause evaporation and condensation. The water droplets get stored in the cloud. Once the cloud has enough water, it rains. What is condensation? Condensation is water that collects as droplets on a cold surface when humid air is existent. How does condensation work? Condensation happens when water vapor changes to liquid water. The different clouds. Cirrus clouds, wispy feathery clouds. Cumulus clouds, fluffy rounded clouds. Stratus clouds, flat clouds about to become a storm. What are clouds made of? Clouds are made of dry air mixed with water droplets and ice particles. What energy do clouds use? Cirrus clouds help warm the Earth's surface. Cumulus clouds help cool the Earth's surface. The water cycle. Heat and energy travel down from the sun. That heat and energy cause evaporation. Evaporation turns into condensation. Condensation is water vapor goes into the clouds. Once the clouds has enough condensation and water vapor, precipitation starts. In the water cycle, it repeats over and over again. Vocabulary words. Cloud, visible collection of liquid water, water vapor, and ice crystals. Condensation, process by which molecules of water vapor in the air becomes liquid water. Humidity, amount of water vapor in a given volume of air. Storm, violent disturbance in the atmosphere. Water cycle, continual movement of water among Earth's atmosphere, ocean, and land surface through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Evaporation, the process by which water molecules and liquid water escape into the air as water vapor. Precipitation, any form of water that falls from the clouds and reaches the Earth's surface. Fahrenheit, relating to or having a temperature scale on which the boiling point of water is at 212 degrees Fahrenheit and freezing point is at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Dew point, temperature at which condensation begins. Rain shadow, land on leeward side of mountain that receives very little precipitation. What is the troposphere? The troposphere is the lowest layer in the atmosphere. How is heat transferred in the troposphere? Heat in the troposphere is transferred by convection. What is three ways to work together to transfer heat? Radiation, energy that comes directly from the sun. Conduction, energy that transfers from one substance to another. Convection, energy that travels from one place to another through particles. Different ways to measure temperature. Fahrenheit users USA, Celsius users everywhere else. What is wind? Wind is the horizontal movement of air from one area of high pressures to another area of low pressures. What causes wind to move? Winds move because of differences in air pressure.
Local winds travel short distances. Global winds travel long distances.
What are global wind belts? Global wind belts are trade winds, the polar easterlies, and prevailing westerlies. Why are global wind belts important? Global wind belts are aware people what time of the year it is. What is an air mass? An air mass is a huge body of air that has similar temperature and humidity.
What is an air mass?
Continental, tropical. Hot, dry, form mostly in summer, covers smaller areas than other air masses. Continental, polar, cold temperature with little moisture, form mostly over tropical oceans, large marine time. Polar, cool, humid, form over icy cold North Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Maritime tropical. Humid, warm, maritime. When an air mass moves into an area and intersects with other masses, it causes weather to change. Types of fronts. Cold front. The leading edge of a core mass of air. Warm front. Warm air going towards cold. Stationary front. A pair of air masses where both are too weak to replace the other. Occluded front. The air front formed when a cold front takes over a warm front, facing it, forcing it upward.
Why is it important to know about air masses and fronts? How do they affect our day-to-day lives?
Air masses carry heat and cold. Fronts are the boundaries of the air masses. They change our temperature and weather every day.